Hey there, stargazers. Have you ever wondered how our planet Earth came to be? It's a pretty amazing story, full of cosmic dust, fiery explosions, and even some giant collisions. So buckle up as we journey back in time billions of years to witness the incredible birth of our home planet. We're going to travel way back to when the universe was much younger. Back then, there were no planets, no stars, not even our very own sun. It all started with a giant cloud of gas and dust, floating in the vastness of space. This cloud was like a giant cosmic nursery, just waiting for something amazing to happen. And boy, did it ever. So get ready for an adventure as we explore the fascinating story of Earth's creation, from a simple cloud of dust to the vibrant, life-filled planet we call home. Billions of years ago, our solar system was just a giant cloud of gas and dust. This cloud, called a nebula, was enormous, stretching over unimaginable distances. It was made up of tiny particles, mostly hydrogen and helium. There were also heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. This cloud was a whirlwind of activity with particles constantly bumping into each other. Remember all that swirling and bumping in the nebula? Well, it created something amazing: gravity. As more and more particles clumped together, the cloud's center became denser and denser, pulling in even more gas and dust. This massive clump grew hotter and hotter under the immense pressure, kind of like a bicycle pump getting warm when you use it. Eventually, the center of the cloud became so hot and dense that a star was born, our very own sun. Imagine the moment, a brilliant flash of light as the sun ignited, illuminating the surrounding nebula with its powerful rays. This event marked a turning point in the story of our solar system, as the sun's powerful gravity began to shape everything around it. The sun's birth wasn't just a beautiful sight, it was crucial for Earth's formation. The sun's gravity acted like a giant cosmic magnet, pulling in the remaining gas and dust, setting the stage for the next chapter in our planet's birth, the formation of Earth itself. With the sun blazing at the center of the solar system, the remaining gas and dust didn't just disappear. Instead, they swirled around the sun in a giant disk, kind of like a cosmic pizza dough being tossed in the air. Within this swirling disk, something incredible began to happen: the formation of planets. Remember those dust particles we talked about? They were still bumping and clumping together, but now they were also orbiting the sun. As these clumps grew larger, their gravity increased, pulling in even more particles like a giant cosmic vacuum cleaner. Over millions of years, these clumps grew bigger and bigger, eventually forming planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Imagine these planetesimals as giant space rocks, some as small as houses, others as large as mountains, all crashing and clumping together in a cosmic demolition derby. It was a chaotic and violent time, but it was also a time of incredible creation. Section 5. Baby Earth, a hot molten mess. Among the swirling planetesimals, one began to stand out: our very own Earth. As Earth grew, its gravity pulled in more planetesimals in a relentless bombardment. These impacts generated heat, melting the surface into a fiery, molten ocean. Imagine a world covered in volcanoes, spewing lava and hot gas. This fiery ball of molten rock was our Earth in its infancy. Section 6. The Moon's Big Debut, a cosmic collision. While Earth was busy cooling down and forming its layers, a dramatic event occurred that would forever shape our planet: the formation of the Moon. Scientists believe that a Mars-sized object, which we call Theia, collided with the young Earth in a cataclysmic event. Imagine the scene: a massive object hurtling through space, slamming into Earth with unimaginable force. The impact sent billions of tons of molten rock and debris hurtling into space, forming a ring of debris around our planet. Over time, this debris coalesced under its own gravity, eventually forming our Moon. This colossal collision had a profound impact on Earth. It's believed to have tilted Earth's axis, giving us our seasons, and it also played a role in stabilizing Earth's rotation. Without the Moon, our planet would be a very different place indeed. Section 7. Water, water everywhere. The origins of our oceans. As Earth continued to cool, something wonderful happened. Water, the essential ingredient for life as we know it, began to appear. But where did all this water come from? Scientists believe that it arrived on Earth through a cosmic delivery service, asteroids and comets. These icy space travelers, remnants from the early solar system, bombarded the young Earth, delivering water molecules that eventually filled our oceans. Imagine a cosmic downpour with icy asteroids and comets raining down on Earth, filling its basins and craters with water. It took millions of years, but eventually Earth's surface cooled enough for water vapor to condense and form liquid water. This water collected in vast depressions on Earth's surface, creating the first oceans. These early oceans were very different from the ones we know today. They were probably acidic and much warmer, but they were a crucial step in Earth's journey towards becoming a habitable world. Section 8. A breath of fresh air. The atmosphere takes shape. With oceans forming and the Earth's surface cooling, another transformation was underway, the creation of our atmosphere. Early Earth's atmosphere was very different from the one we breathe today. It was a toxic mix of gases, mostly carbon dioxide, nitrogen and water vapor, spewed out by volcanoes and released from the planet's interior. But over time, something remarkable happened. Life. Tiny organisms called cyanobacteria evolved in the early oceans. These microscopic creatures possessed a remarkable ability, photosynthesis. They could harness sunlight to create energy, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Over millions of years, these oxygen-producing organisms transformed Earth's atmosphere. They pumped oxygen into the air, gradually replacing the toxic gases with the breathable air we enjoy today. This great oxygenation event was a pivotal moment in Earth's history, paving the way for the evolution of more complex life forms. Section 9. And then, life. A miracle unfolds. With liquid water, a breathable atmosphere, and a more stable climate, Earth was finally ready for the most extraordinary event of all, the emergence of life. The exact details of how life began on Earth are still a mystery, but we know it happened in those early oceans, billions of years ago. Imagine the incredible moment when the first single-celled organisms emerged from the primordial soup, the building blocks of all life on Earth. These early life forms were simple, microscopic creatures, but they possessed the remarkable ability to reproduce and evolve, passing on their genetic information to future generations. Over billions of years, life on Earth diversified and evolved from simple single-celled organisms to complex plants, animals, and eventually humans. This incredible journey of life, from those first microscopic organisms to the incredible diversity we see today, is a testament to the power of evolution and the remarkable resilience of life on Earth. Section 10. Earth's evolution from fire to ice and everything nice. The story of Earth's creation doesn't end with the appearance of life. Our planet continued to evolve and change over billions of years, experiencing periods of intense heat and bitter cold, volcanic eruptions and massive floods, all shaping the world we know today. Imagine continents drifting across the globe, colliding and breaking apart, forming mountains and ocean trenches. Picture massive ice sheets covering vast areas, then receding, carving out valleys and lakes. These geological processes, driven by the Earth's internal heat and plate tectonics, shaped the continents and oceans we see today. Earth's climate, too, has undergone dramatic shifts. There have been periods of extreme warmth, when tropical forests flourished near the poles, and ice ages when glaciers extended across continents. These climate changes, driven by variations in Earth's orbit and solar radiation, have played a significant role in the evolution and distribution of life on our planet. Section 11. Our precious planet, a story. Billions of years in the making, from a swirling cloud of cosmic dust to the vibrant, life-filled planet we call home, Earth's story is an epic tale of cosmic collisions, fiery eruptions, and the incredible power of life to adapt and thrive. It's a story that spans billions of years, a story still being written today. As we look out at our planet, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, we are witnessing the culmination of billions of years of cosmic evolution. Every rock, every river, every living creature is a testament to the incredible journey that Earth has taken. So the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember that our planet is a precious and unique place, a result of countless cosmic events that unfolded over billions of years. Let us cherish and protect this pale blue dot, our only home in the vastness of space.